I know that you have been buying into the lies of like, oh, I'm gonna visualize even harder, and my manifestation is going to appear. And you see these people telling you, oh, you just need to change your mindset, oh, you just need to change your beliefs, oh, you just need to change this, you just need to listen to one more audio. But you don't realize that you are actually watching their video. They are not scamming you, but they are not telling you the full truth. It took me 2 fucking years to realize this, and I am going to share this with you in the next 10 to 15 minutes. So let's debunk some manifestation myths so you can manifest your desires. They lied to you. They told you that you need to visualize your desires and your manifestation will be yours. So what did you end up doing? You end up visualizing every day. When things were not happening, you ended up even visualizing harder and harder and harder to bring your manifestation in your physical reality. But then, where was your manifestation? To see that, you ended up looking at your phone, checking your Instagram notification, your YouTube views and likes, hoping that one day your dream client is actually going to find you. Hi, I am Priya. I am an intuitive healer and an educator for entrepreneurs. And today I'm going to share something that is actually going to blow your mind as an entrepreneur and as a person who is into self-help. Manifestation isn't a one-step process. So whenever you start getting into manifestation, the videos that you're going to get into is like you have to visualize more, you have to script certain things, you have to do this, you have to listen to audio meditations. But the thing that is missing is that it is one of the steps of manifestation and not the whole manifestation process. So the truth is, manifestation is actually a 4-step method, and it starts with desire, feel, act, and heal. So what happens is, when you get a desire, you are all excited about it. It's like, oh, I have this desire. And then the next step is feel. So most YouTube videos, most people that you come across are going to tell you about the second step, which is feeling the feelings. Okay, visualizing, feeling, writing, whatever is convenient to you. And you end up being in this cycle, which is like feeling, 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 and then hoping a result. But then you miss the next 2 steps, which is act and heal. So when you're manifesting a new level in your reality, what is going to happen is there will be certain beliefs, a limiting belief within you, an energy within you that is not allowing you to step into the next level. And to release that from your field, from your body, you have to take certain action steps. And these action steps are actually scary action steps. And when you act on that, you have to heal those blocks and release the shit from your field. I'll give an example of this. Okay, when I started my business, I wanted clients. So I had this desire that I want to have a business, want to have clients. I felt all the feelings. And then I had an inspired action, which is to actually go live on Instagram and talk to my audience. And the thing is, I was a person who was actually afraid of joining other people's life, thinking, what are they thinking of me? And that person, that version of me, had to step in and actually go live on Instagram. And that's where I found my very first client. That's where we actually connected and then we started working together. So these are the steps. The thing that you're gonna miss is the acting step, which is you have to take certain difficult, uncomfortable actions to actually step from one version of you to the next version of yourself. The second truth is you have to fail before your manifestation actually arrives in your reality. And what do I mean by that? So, when you have a desire which is to step into the next level, you have to take certain actions, okay? And these actions will sometimes not lead you to your desired goal. You have, for example, when you first start posting, it won't get you so much views, it won't get you so much likes, the desired people, the desired clients. But you have to do that, and it may not work. And why does this even happen? The thing is, when you're stepping from one level to another level, the universe is going to see if you are ready to handle the next level of your life or not. And what happens is, you will be given a situation where you will either behave like your old self or you will have a chance to step into your new self. And in that situation, the universe is going to decide, oh, are you ready or not? And if you are ready, if you are behaving like the new self, the universe is going to give your desire. I'll give you one more example related to that, which is while you're manifesting the one for you, you might end up coming across people who you might think are the one, but they are not the one. They might be just a trial so that you can meet your one, the one you are manifesting. Because the one that you are manifesting has a certain energetic frequency. And when you're not ready and when you're not at that level, what's going to happen is even when they are around you, you might not even see them. So you might end up getting a trial version and then you release all that shit and come to a higher level. Then you will meet that person you are energetically ready for. The third one, which is the most important one, is no amount of visualization is going to replace the work that you need to do. Now, this is a very hard hitting truth that I recently realized, which is you can visualize all the feelings, all the details, all the things that you want. You can keep doing that. But if you want to run a business, have clients, you have to put in certain work, which is you can have all the feelings, you can do all the rituals, but your business is a living entity. It needs a system, it needs a structure. You need to have a certain payment gateway, you need to have a backend, and you cannot just keep visualizing and these things are just gonna appear. You have to build those things. I know that you have been buying into the lies of like, oh, I'm gonna visualize even harder, and my manifestation is going to appear. And you see these people telling you, oh, you just need to change your mindset. Oh, you just need to change your beliefs. Oh, you just need to change this. You just need to listen to one more audio. But you don't realize that you are actually watching their videos. That means they are taking actions of putting themselves out there in the world. They are not scamming you, but they are not telling you the full truth, which is they are taking actions on a daily basis. That's why you can see their videos and they are earning certain things, which is absolutely amazing. But it is also the partial truth that you just need to visualize and feel certain things. No amount of visualization is actually going to replace the work you need to put. and you actually have to work hard. I didn't really want to use the word hard because, yes, working hard and then putting yourself and burning yourself out, that's a completely different story. But you will have to work, you will have to put yourself out there, you will have to make content, you will have to show up in the world. Because if you're not showing up in the world, your soul clients will not know that you actually exist. And when they don't know that you exist, you are not gonna get clients, your business is going to be super dry. That's why I have a membership which is called She Shows Up. This membership is basically targeting those deeper energetic blocks which is actually keeping you really, really small. And because of those generational trauma, generational patterns, you are unable to act on the things you are passionate about. So once you release that, you will be able to act, and then you will be able to attract your soul clients. If you are interested in it, the details are mentioned in the description below. And the last thing I want to say is manifestation is a scam if you keep feeling your feelings and be in your head and not take actions. Because if you take actions, if you have a desire, if you are feeling your feelings, you're taking uncomfortable actions, healing your limiting beliefs, healing your generational patterns, the reality is all going to be yours. So this was the video. This channel is going to be about brutal truth, which is going to help you actually transform your life. So I'm not just another YouTuber or a business person who's just gonna tell you all the positive things, gonna share all the positive vibes with you, but I'm gonna tell you the brutal truth you need to hear so that you transform your life. And with this, I will sign off.